Hi everyone, this is Derek Sowers. I'm the Mapping Operations Manager for the Ocean Exploration Trust. On GIS Day, I just wanted to talk a little bit about how we use GIS in ocean exploration. GIS is basically a digital maps with digital databases behind the scenes. You can think of it like a layer cake of information about the world. So you can have a layer that's showing what the seafloor terrain it looks like the map behind me. You can have a different map of like where the subsea cables are that we want to avoid. Another map layer that shows shipwrecks that have been found in the area. Another layer that shows where the marine protected area boundaries are. So these are all layers that we want to look at and consider when we're going to an area in the ocean, and it really informs like where we're going to do our exploration and all the information that's been collected in that region before us. And also, as an ocean exploration program, we really want to focus on mapping and exploring the largely unknown. So we need good maps of what's already been done to inform where we're going to go to find the unexplored. When the Ocean Exploration Trust explores an area of the ocean, we're using GIS to make that a success at every step of the journey. So the first step is we use multi-beam sonar to form a really good map of the seafloor, make that base map so we understand the terrain we're going to be exploring. Then based on that, we can actually plan a very detailed dive path with our remotely operated vehicles and navigate down to those points in three-dimensional space in the maps and go explore. Then once we get the information about where we collected samples, where all the imagery and video were collected, we all have that stored in a GIS, so we know exactly where on Earth all of that data was collected. And we can relate it to other data sets like oxygen in that part of the ocean, or the depth we were at, or the temperature of the water. Things like that are really important for understanding the context in which we observe different species or the geology or anything we're discovering along the way. A final note about GIS and mapping the ocean floor: only about 27% of the world's oceans have yet been mapped in any kind of detail. So there's a huge amount of work left to be done. Many of us that work in this field in ocean mapping and ocean exploration are working together to complete the first complete map of planet Earth, which includes everything underwater. If you're excited about this mission and would like to join us, I really encourage you to take your next steps in your career path and make that happen. Take care.